Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Shaden Smith. I want to have a conversation with you about something that a lot of people use, but they do not really understand. And it's so important. I mean, like, very important. I mean, but it's very small that we look at it small, but it's big. Very big. At this point, you can't have a relationship without it. Your family, they'll love you, but they really won't want to be around you without this. Matter of fact, they will beg you to use it. But a lot of people are begging to use it and understanding stuff, they don't understand what they're using. You're probably wondering what in the world I'm talking about. I mean, it's something you use every day, so I hope you do. Some use it once a day, some use it twice a day. But it's very, very important that you do. It's soap. Soap seems very basic and whatnot, but it's something you put on your body every single day, and everything inside that soap goes inside of your skin and inside of your body. And so we're here at the store I'm dealing with, my store, lovingspoiled.com, is where you can find healthy soap. I really mean that too. Because a lot of people ask people why they use the soap, they usually don't know. They say I use soap so I can be clean, so I can smell good. Nobody ever says to be healthy, which is very important. You know, and it's like what I was saying is like when I build the store up, it has essential oils inside the soap too, and essential oils are like all that stuff back out there. That's why I filmed it out here. You get to see it. It's made through all the plant life, which that's where medicine starts at. Before they process it and turn it into bad stuff. You know, it's already been proven that medicine now kills more people than actually heals them. I'm not saying you shouldn't use it. But I don't know there should be a line drawn between use and don't use. I'm not for sure where that lies at. But at least with the soap, there's a bunch of bad stuff in the soap. Matter of fact, I even call it killer soap. You know, because some of the soap is killing people because it has all these bad properties in there. It has parabens and trilocin. And these are all these long words that it took me a while to even understand some of this stuff here. So don't worry about the words. But later on, I'm going to have a link that I'm going to sit in here. And the link is going to be able to take you to a video where you can see all the big words that people talk about this in the soap. You get to see it react. He got this 700 pound ball, or 700 degree ball. It's red hot. He puts it on the big brand soap that's with all the bad products in it. And he puts on the soap with the natural soap. The natural soap, it burns away really good. The big brand soap is popping, setting on fire and all that stuff here. Now we can understand that stuff. Oh, one more thing before I get done. There are 5 things you need to pay attention to in life, and I hope you pay attention to them, which is taxes, insurance, benefits, and life insurance. Who you leave your money to? And one of the most important, investments. Investments. That's one that's going to keep you rich and keep you from going broke and keep you from working for money. Anyway, it's Shaden Smith. Peace. Stay strong. Have a good one.